Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to remove microphone background noise in OBS. It's super easy. Here's my microphone, it's currently active. To add noise suppression, just click on the three dots and click the filters button. And so accordingly here we have, well, I already have them. You'll need to click the plus button and select noise suppression. Yes, click it, click OK. So that's it, yours will simply be called noise suppression. There are two types of noise suppression, SPX and RNN noise, or just RNN noise. The difference is that this one will be slightly worse but use less CPU, and this one will be slightly better but use more CPU. Test it out, try whichever one works best for you, because there are also different noise types, static noise and others. Whichever of these options works best for you, just use that one. So, well, I already have mine set up. I use RNN noise, which you can hear right now. It's ideal for handling quiet sounds like computer noise. I think it even handles a vacuum cleaner if you're silent. That's all there is to it. This has been Weller. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.